When it comes to preparing our CISOs that we serve for conversations with their board, or we're putting together a client report, and in the client report, what we really try to do is we're giving them our findings, the implications, and sort of the call to action, but we always try to ground it in research, statistics, facts, and figures. And kind of my go-to resource for those types of client initiatives, or if I'm just trying to get my head around what's going on right now with the cost of cybercrime, or what's happening with how many Internet of Things devices are going to be out there, and what does the state of the state look like for the security of those. I go to Cybercrime Magazine because I know that my peer group share very freely. It's like Cybercrime Magazine becomes Switzerland of how to share all the things that are really happening on the firing lines, and to actually share it in a place where it's aggregated and very thoughtful correlation work, regression analysis, and in-depth research is done. And there's certain statistics I go and look at, well, what did it look like 5 years ago, 10 years ago? And then what does it look like right now? And then where is it trending? And so, by the way, I do a lot of public speaking, and it's one of my go-to resources for just these hard-hitting statistics that kind of grab a group to get their attention, to then get them to, okay, so here's your call to action.